In this video, I'll show you how to draw parallel lines using a compass, a straight edge, and a pencil. First, you start out by drawing a line, and you want to make a mark on that line. And using this mark, we're going to draw a 90-degree angle to that line. So what we'll do is we'll make two marks on there, spread my compass so that it's more than 1/2 of the way, and then make marks up here, down here, there, and then back down on this side. And this way, when I join the two marks together, I've drawn perpendicular lines. Now, in our first way of drawing parallel lines, what we're going to do is just make another 90-degree angle off of this one. We can pick any 2 points and draw a second 90-degree angle. You want to make it, adjust the compass so that it's a little bit more than half. It can be a lot more than half, it doesn't matter, but it has to be at least more than half. And then we're going to draw those lines here, here, and then starting from the second point, we'll draw the lines again. And by drawing two sets of perpendicular lines, we have created one set of parallel lines. The second method also starts with one line, and with this one what we're going to do is draw what we call a transversal, which is just a line that crosses over our parallel lines. And what we're going to do is reconstruct this angle right here. So we'll have corresponding angles, and that will also create parallel lines. To recreate an angle, what you do is you get your compass, and yes, it doesn't need to be very big. You start at the vertex of the angle, and you draw across there. The point that you're trying to make here, or the point right there of that vertex of the angle you're trying to create, you'll do the same thing. Now what you do is you measure from the point where your compass crossed the transversal to the point where it crossed your parallel line. And what you're doing now is measuring that same distance. When we cross from there at the vertex to that point that we drew, what we're doing again is recreating this angle here, congruent angles, and because they're corresponding angles, they've created parallel lines as well. And that's how you make parallel lines using a compass, a straight edge, and a pencil.